パトカーがサイレンを鳴らして走ってるのにスピードがめっちゃ遅いんです。
What is going on here? Are they pulling over the car? Is this like the slowest police chase in history? Oh no, it's not following the Audi. Do they know they've got the lights on? Your lights are on! The blue lights are on!
They're on, are they?
Yeah. No, the top ones are on.
Shouldn't be on, are they still on?
That one is off, but the back one is on. Oh, there you go, yeah.
Yeah, I just picked it up off a lad, so...
Oh, fair enough.
You must have pushed the button.
I thought you were doing like the slowest police chase in history.
Nah, I just picked it up at the station, so I didn't know, I didn't see. Thanks for letting me know.
Yeah, no worries.